3 ways to send messages on your iPhone using your voice, not your fingers. Let's jump into our Messages application by selecting our green icon here, select my plus icon here, and scroll down until I see audio. It automatically starts recording, so make sure you're ready. If at any time you'd like to stop, select the stop button, and if you'd like to add to the audio recording, simply select the plus icon here. When you're satisfied with the recording, select stop again. You can play the audio recording to see if it sounds good, and when you're ready, select the arrow to send it. You and the recipient will get a nice transcript with the audio message. Open up your Messages application, find your microphone icon located on the right-hand side of your text box, or it will be on the bottom right corner of your keyboard. If you select this, you then will enable speech-to-text to send voice messages. Hello, this is Jessica. When you are capturing audio, your microphone on the bottom right-hand corner will have a gray circle around it. Hello, this is Jessica. When you are ready to send your message, select the arrow, open up my Voice Memos application. To record a message, select the circle on the bottom center of your screen. This is my second recording. When you're done, select the stop button. And when you're ready to share your voice memo, select the 3 dots and select share. From here, you can share your voice memo in whatever way is easiest for you. Messages, AirDrop, mail, and more. I chose to send mine via iMessage. When I'm ready, I will select send. My name is Jessica, and I hope to see you in the next video.